Salamat. Hi guys, welcome again. For my second video, second ever, gagawa ako ng unboxing video dito sa na-receive kong order from Ninja Van. Thanks boss. If you wanna know also, I will be supplying a link below kung saan ko nabili to. It is from Shopee as well. So by now, sa title pa lang, alam nyo na kung anong ilalagay ko. More commonly, sa mga NMAX kasi, nilalagay nila yung Motowolf CP holder sa gitna at may bracket. But this time, bumili ako ng para sa side mirrors. And then, may kasama siyang bracket din na maliit na bar. So if ever kung gusto ko siya ilipat sa gitna, bibili ulit ako nung yung bracket para doon. Let's get to it. Tignan natin kung ano yung laman. Right from the plastic. Di ko pa siya nabubuksan guys. Stay tuned. So guys, nandito tayo sa rooftop ngayon ng bahay. We will start unboxing this. And for this special unboxing video, which is my second ever video, nasa rooftop tayo ng bahay. Yan. Enjoy the view guys. All you will need is a knife. Ito na siya. My first time ever seeing this one. The link for this will be in the description below. Ito yung side mirror bracket. Shipping problems. Right, buksan natin to guys. Mukhang legit nga. We got an Allen key at hindi ko alam ano itong dalawa. A little manual, I guess, and then the clamp itself. Yan. Mukhang solid naman to guys. This is for the bar. Solid na. Alright. So all in all, sa order ko, ito yon. I got the black side mirror mount and then the black Motowolf phone holder. May kasama na rin siyang tool so hindi mo na kailangan bumili pa. And for this one, adjustment, you can adjust both sides for your phone. Here to tighten it up at ito rin. Hi guys, welcome ulit. So after unboxing, it's time to install the Motowolf phone holder kasama ng side mirrors. In my case, wala na akong stock side mirrors at wala din akong mga bolts. Pero if you remember, if removing your stock side mirrors, may iwang dalawang ganito. Dito kasi nakalagay yung stock side mirrors mo. Pero pag bumili ka na ng mga yayamanin bolts, you probably won't need this if may nakalagay ka na on each. Okay, here we go. Alright. For this bolt, kailangan mo ng 14mm na. Ayan, just have to install it like so. When choosing sides, mas prefer ko yung left side. Kasi dito gamit yung kamay mo. You will probably adjust it like that. So it's time to install yung mismo Motowolf phone holder na. Using the Allen key provided at dito, ilalagay ito sa mismong bar. Yeah.
Once it's inside, all you have to do is tighten it up. I'm using it now for the rest.
After tightening all your bolts, pwede mo siya i-try. Lagyan mo yung phone mo and then adjust if di mo bet yung napili mo. For me, currently, I want it just there. Hindi medyo sagabal kasi pag for me, pag sa gitna ako nilagay, medyo distracted ako. I would rather look at my phone most of the time. At kung may kailangan mo na kung pindutin pag hihinto, you have to reach far. Unlike dito, nasa gilid lang. Only the cons here, pag nasa traffic ka at may mga magnanakaw, there's a higher chance na makuha nila yung phone mo. This is me in my sitting position. At nandito na rin yung Motowolf phone holder natin. And then if you find too near or masyadong mababa, you can actually adjust it to be higher than the current. Yan. Or lower. You can have it higher or lower. Simple lang. All you have to do is tighten it again. Make sure it's tight enough na hindi siya gagalaw, especially when you're riding. So far, as much as I want to test it out, umuulan pa sa labas. So now, it is currently installed. Nakalagay yung phone ko sa phone holder natin. So this is how you look when you're driving. At kung may kausap naman, like video call, you guys can talk here. But just be sure to drive safe. Rotatable. You can move it wherever you like. Kung gusto man lang mag-video content sa daan, you can just move it here. Kung gusto mo gumawa ng top speed, then pwede mo siya i-face sa dash mo. Hi guys! That's all for today. Natapos na rin natin i-install yung Motowolf phone holder. Napakadali lang, di ba? If you like the video, please like and subscribe at comment kung may tanong ka. Stay tuned rin. More videos will come. See ya!